I'm Scott Baxter, your local Dallas realtor, and welcome to Somerset Park. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me on this one. Somerset Park, Rockwall, Texas. Lots of good things happening here with Phase 2. 1.57 tax rate, no PID, no mud. Beautiful, beautiful homes, giant lots next to the school. If you have a family, this is a perfect spot. I am a local around this area, and this is the perfect spot. I love it. That was Rockwall, by the way. That was like a train horn on a truck. These guys had a neighborhood that started in 2019 for Phase 1, and now they're finally doing Phase 2. And we're with grand homes right now. This is the lot you want. There's one left. That one is sold. That one is sold. There's 3 right here, and they're about 200 feet long, 70 foot wide. That's a third of an acre, and it backs up to Greenbelt. Now, the beauty about Rockwall and these neighborhoods that are already established, you have no PID and no mud, and a 1.57 tax rate. That's the lowest anywhere that I've seen. And if you're a family in here, there's gonna be, these lots are very spacious, and you're gonna be right by the schools. I mean, the school is maybe a mile away, and then the high school is maybe like 2 miles down the road. This neighborhood is just about to build its pool, and it's gonna be for everybody to use. You can have golf carts in this neighborhood. Lots of greenbelt space. This whole row is greenbelt, and it goes down for about a mile. So there's lots of different greenbelt spots that you can be, and there's greenbelts going all the way up there too. Tons of country land around here. So you're gonna have greenbelt, greenbelt, greenbelt. This is the largest lot. This has 150K premium on it. So you're gonna pay for that, but prices start at about $575,000 for a grand home, that's a really good price. That's low. As soon as everything starts opening here, like their model home, prices probably will increase. So they've sold about 10 lots so far out of 70. They have 60 lots left. So you should get out here and take a look, see if it's something you like. All right, here I am at the Clubhouse in Somerset Park in Rockwall. We have a pool being built right behind me for all these homes. This pool isn't actually being built till Phase 2, which is now. They're still waiting. About in April, they're probably gonna have their grand opening on really opening up all the model homes and coming in with everything. And it looks more than 4 feet deep. You know, a lot of these new construction places have only 4 feet deep pools. This is gonna look just a little bit deeper. So that's good. And if this isn't big enough for you, you think it's a little bit too crowded, you're gonna have room to build your own pool in the back of a lot of these lots. You know, some of them are 200 feet deep, some of them are 80 foot wide. We're gonna go check out the 80 foot wide lots right now. We also have Perry homes in this neighborhood. Now, Perry Homes, we're standing at the 80-foot lots right now, and this lot is really cool. There's only a couple left. Come here, over this way. They can't build a house right there. That'll be a really steep driveway if they do, and they're not gonna do it. That's gonna be Greenbelt. That's gonna be Greenbelt that's gonna stay Greenbelt. So you have this right here, 80-foot lot, lots of room, way out here on the end on the Greenbelt. So this is Perry Homes, has some really good lots here. Now we're really early in the process here. Like the model homes aren't even open, but I really wanted to show you guys about this neighborhood simply because the no mud, no PID, and the 1.57 tax rate. Pointe Homes is gonna be the third builder. They haven't even finished their model home yet. And I don't see a lot of signs out here yet for Pointe, but that doesn't mean that they're not gonna be here a lot. I think they will have a substantial amount as well of lots to be built on. All right, everybody, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm Scott Baxter, your local Dallas realtor. Hit me up if you'd like to build a home here. They have 60 to 80 foot lots, up to 200 feet deep. Plenty enough to build your own pool, plenty enough to have an amazing house with an amazing pool in the back if you want. So Somerset Park, good tax rate, no PID, no mud. You're literally right down the street from the high school, from the elementary school, from the middle school, and they're all A+ rated schools. So you're in a good spot, you're in a good town, and it's a really good price right now. This is the pre-sale pricing. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. They're already selling, and it's gonna go up as they get along, especially when everything really does the grand opening. So hit me up below. Let's build your dream home here. We'll see you in the next video.